Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jen for Clair Astrology. I'm Jen for Clair, and in today's video, you're going to learn what it means to have Pisces rising. If you have Pisces rising, the way others will see you is as someone whose primary aim is to achieve a higher state of consciousness. You look at life with the glass is half full attitude, and you have an idealistic nature. When it comes to achieving a higher state of consciousness, you easily tap into other realms, bringing down fresh perspectives from your mystical experiences. Whether that be through your artwork, your poetry, or your music, you have creative talents as well as an active imagination that you can use to inspire others. You have a creative artist within you that is destined to touch the hearts of humanity. The challenge is to become organized and motivated enough to put your ideas into action. This is where having the opposite sign, Virgo, as a friend can come in very handy. Your strengths include kindness, compassion, and the empathy you offer others with such great ease. People will feel this warmth radiating from you when they first meet you. You are good at holding space for others, accepting them wherever they're at, and seeing the bigger picture of life. This also involves realities that exist outside our 3D world. What you need to guard against, however, is the tendency to escape, numb yourself, or deny the actions you must take when you're feeling overwhelmed with responsibilities in your home or your work environment. Because of your heightened sensitivity and your strong intuition, you often sense things before they occur, and this can cause great anxiety or fear around events before they've even happened. If you are overstimulated by too much negativity in your environment, you may choose to retreat into a fantasy world in order to zone out and find some peace. There are healthier ways to do this, however, and those include meditation, sleep, drawing, hypnosis, or even floating in a sensory deprivation tank. But if you reach for substances that are designed to alter your mood, you are asking for trouble, as these can lead to addictions that are hard to break. The best advice if you have Pisces rising is to use your incredible empathic skills, imagination, and artistic abilities to share your creations with others and be there to help them heal and cope with life's difficult situations. You have such a big heart, it would be a shame to see it go to waste because you've numbed yourself from the world. I hope you've enjoyed watching Pisces Rising. If you have, feel free to leave a thumbs up or subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.